Another teaching moment because y'all trying to talk shit. I'm gonna start teaching languages and words and stuff like that. Um, all right, there's no. I'll save that for later. I want to ask you a question actually because there are these different languages and they didn't just develop. There's proof of that within the languages. But what I want to ask you is there any I'm saying common, but is there? Would you understand if I said regular? Is there any common sounds between these languages? So if I have a Turkish person over here that speaks Turkish, that only speaks Turkish, and it's been in a little Turkish village, hasn't really been outside, been in that Turkish village. If I crack one of the Turkish, boom, punch the shit out of the Turkish person, would a Turkish person say, ow? And if I crack a Cambodian, it's been in rowing the boat with a stick and has it deep in the jungle. And if I crack them with a fist, would it say, ow? I don't know. I don't know a turkey and I don't know a Bodian. So I offer this question to people. So I know that and now this is how the devil works. I know that because it, it, it takes a program or programming in order for a devil to talk to God. It's called a shunt. But anyway, and the police department is trying to steal my equipment, and they don't understand or not. They're not intelligent enough to operate it. So anyway, um, I would pose this question, and then somebody that would program would probably answer me. I've spoken Turkish, and what the Turkish person would say is, no, 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 no. I don't have time to think of the right thing to say because it would be something devilish. But what the Turkish person would say is boom, boom. So, sir, are you sure about that? Because I don't believe that, sir. And then, I would do boom, crack the fucking turkey in his fucking chin. And you know what the turkey would do? Now, the turkey was fucking programmed. The turkey would say, boom, boom. And I would say, sir, you're a fucking liar. You're a robot and you were programmed to say that. That I would, is anybody else in here speak? That I might get real aggressive with. Does anybody else in here speak Turkish? And then his wife would be like, yo, why don't you just calm down? Why don't you calm down? Whap, whap, whap. Backhanded shit out of his wife. Back, forth, and then back again. And then look at that guy. He can't, he's a punk, so he can't do anything or say anything to me. And he's like, why don't you leave my wife alone? I cracked him right in the chin like that. And you ever see Yellow Man? Now he's looking like Yellow Man. Why don't he leave he's having trouble time. Why don't you leave my wife alone? Why, no, why did you hit my, ow? Because his chin was fucked up. He was trying to speak. You dumb fucking devil. Then I should stop him, right? You only speak because you're a fucking devil. And the owl. Frankenstein.